Ever wanted to swap faces in videos instantly? Like this. Let me show you how. It's easier than you think.
So to create this, I used this popular tool called Remaker AI. Then I went to the single face swap, and then you just need to upload a video, upload target face, and that's about it. So let me show you how I did that at the beginning. So here is the video. Now let's upload target face. So here I have one pretty bad image of myself, and let's try to swap it. Have in mind, it will not swap complete haircut and everything, just a face, face expression, your kind of a face without a haircut. Click here and then just wait a couple of seconds to a minute and your video will be done. And by the way, while we wait, you can upload videos up to 30 minutes. Every second is actually 1 credit. And so here is the video.
Ever wanted to swap faces in videos
Looks pretty good.
Instantly? Like this.
Like this, yes. So let me show you a couple of interesting ideas what you can do with this for fun, for example. So there is a popular page yarn.co that contains many different movie clips that you can download for free. So just find what you like, where you'd like to see your face. So for example, this one from Spider-Man, just click on that video.
Doesn't matter to you anyway.
Yes. Download the video. And then, for example, if you would like to see someone's face or your face on that, just go back to the tool, upload new video, upload new face. So now let's use Donald this time, because this tool does not have restrictions on that or any other things. And voila, here is our video. I uploaded very low quality video, so that's why the output is also like that, but it looks pretty good.
Doesn't matter to you anyway.
Doesn't matter to you anyway.
Matter to you anyway.
Yes.
Matter to you anyway.
Donald. So yeah, pretty interesting tool with many different functionalities. So for example, you have photo generators, image generators, meme, photo editing, AI removal, all of those tools, many different AI video tools, several free tools. So yeah, it's pretty good for many different things. If you'd like to try it out, check out the link in the description and we'll talk some next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.